In today's video, I am going to teach you how to autofill numbers in Excel. This is a simple Excel feature that can save you a lot of time, especially when you are working with long lists and need numbers to continue in order automatically. Instead of typing every number one by one, you can give Excel a pattern and let it complete the sequence for you. Start by clicking the first cell where you want your number sequence to begin. This is the cell that will hold the first value in your list. Once that cell is selected, type the number 1. After that, press Enter. This will move your selection to the cell directly below, which is where you will place the next number in the sequence. In that next cell, type the number 2. These first two numbers are important because they show Excel the pattern you want to continue. If you only enter one number, Excel may just copy that same number instead of creating a sequence. By entering both 1 and 2, you are clearly telling Excel to count upward. Now click and drag with your mouse so that both of those cells are highlighted together. You want Excel to see the full pattern before using Autofill. Once both cells are selected, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the highlighted box. This small corner is called the fill handle. Hover carefully over that corner and watch your cursor. You need it to change into a solid black plus sign. That is how you know Excel is ready to autofill. If you see a different cursor shape, move slightly until the black plus sign appears. Once you see the black plus sign, double-click it. Excel will instantly autofill the number sequence downward. It will continue filling the numbers to match the length of the data in the adjacent column. This is especially useful when you already have information in a nearby column and want your numbering to extend alongside it automatically. If the result does not look right, check that you selected both the 1 and the 2 before using the fill handle. That is the key to creating a proper sequence instead of repeating the same number. This method is quick, accurate, and very helpful for organizing rows in spreadsheets. After you try it once, it becomes one of the easiest Excel tools to use in everyday work. That covers everything you need to know.